First, loosen the screws. Loosen the screws in these three positions. At the position of the door panel, pry the door panel open with a pry bar. Then loosen the door panel in various positions. Then you can remove the door panel, the fixed wires and plugs inside the door panel, and unplug them all. Put the door panel aside first. Pull out the blue plug. Then use a pry bar to pry open the black clips and the black rubber strip. After opening, there are 3 screws, which fix the rear view mirror. Loosen them all. After loosening the 3 screws, remove the chrome strip. Then the entire rear view mirror can be removed. Use a pry bar to follow the gap to pry off the rear view mirror cover, the base of the rear view mirror. Also pry it lightly. After prying it open, straighten the rear view mirror. Ready to install. Pass the wire through the hole directly. Fix the cover plate. The wire follows the wire that controls the rear view mirror. Together, the base is also installed directly. The 2 wires are together. Pass them back through the original holes. Fix the rear view mirrors. Install the 3 screws back. Remove this panel. Then, remove the black clips inside. Then, you can take off this felt board. After removing the 4 screws of the speaker, take the speaker off. Then, remove the door adapter. Disconnect the right power cord. Fix the wire on the threading tip. Start routing the wires. Pass the wire through the hole in the door panel first. Then pass the wire through the door adapter. Separate the wire from the threading tape. Then the wire, and directly through to the passenger seat. Then disassemble the door adapter and install it back carefully as before. Because our product installation is here, the adapter is a bit messy. No detailed instructions. If you don't understand, ask the master directly. Plug in the connector directly. Put the main control box back. Tidy up the wires. Plug in the plug of the ambient light, then the control box of the right rear view mirror. Plug in the plug of the ambient light. Plug the plug into the ambient light. Plug the power adapter into the control box. Then plug in the power supply, and it's done. Fix the control box of a single rear view mirror. Is fixed in this position. Then straighten out the wires, and it's done. The left rear view mirror. The installation process is the same as the right one. Here is the speaker. Blind spot assist light. This is for connecting the ambient light. Then plug it into the control box, and it's done.